Hi, and welcome to our Homemaker series. In this series, I'm challenging myself each week to learn a new homemaker skill. This could be from gardening, canning, or learning to make store-bought items at home with no refined sugars, natural ingredients, low toxic, and no seed oils. If this is your type of thing and you'd like to follow along our journey of making clean ingredients or making our household low toxic, keep watching. This is episode 1, and on today's episode we're making this mayo, which tastes pretty good, in my opinion better than store-bought. To start, we need a wide enough jug or jar to fit our immersion blender in. Then you'll want to add in 125 ml of light olive oil, 1 large egg, and then you will want to squeeze 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice into the jug, then 1/4 teaspoon of celtic salt or any salt of your choice. My household just uses celtic salt. Once you've done that, you want to place the immersion blender over the egg yolk and hold it in place for at least 15 seconds till it starts to emulsify and thicken up. Then you can move it around to incorporate all the oil. It only takes roughly around 40 seconds. Once that's done, you want to store your homemade mayo in an airtight jar for at least 2 hours before you use it. It will last up to 7 days in your fridge. You can use this for dressings, homemade dips, or anything that you choose. I hope you've enjoyed watching the first episode of our Homemaker series. Comment down below what else you would like to see us make. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.